charge on the central metal ion present in the following complexes: FeNH34Cl2NO3 NaBNO3 4 times. FeNH34Cl2NO3. Charge of 4NH3 equal to 0. Charge of 2Cl minus is equal to minus 2. Charge of NO3 minus is equal to minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. The charge of Fe is equal to X. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3. NaBNO3 4. Charge of Na plus is equal to plus 1. Charge of B is equal to X. Charge of 4NO3 minus is equal to minus 4. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3. Charge on central metal atom is equal to plus 3. Name the following complexes: CONH35H2O Cl3, NaBNO3 4, CONH35H2O Cl3, pentaamine aqua cobalt 3 chloride, NaBNO3 4, sodium tetranitrate borate 3. Write the formula structure of the following: tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 ion, COEN3 3 plus ion, pentaamine sulfate cobalt 3 chloride, CONH3 5 SO4Cl. Draw the structure of cis and trans PTNH3 twice Cl2. PTNH3 twice Cl2 is a cis isomer where in cis isomer the platinum will be at the central metal ion and chlorine will be bonded to the platinum and NH3 is bonded to the platinum. In trans isomer the chlorine and NH3 is interchanged. What are chelates? Give one example. If a ligand is capable of forming more than one bond with the central metal atom or ion, then the ring structures are produced which are known as metal chelates. Hence, the ring forming group are described as chelating agents or polydentate ligands. CO3NH36 hexaamine cobalt 3, CrCN6 hexacyanochromate 3 and Cr3NH36 hexaamine chromium 3, CO3CN6 hexacyanocobalt 3, PT2NH34 tetraamine platinum 2, CuCl4 tetrachlorocuparate 2 and CuNH34 tetraamine copper 2, PtCl4 tetrachloroplatinate 2. In the above isomers, the interchange of ligands in the coordination sphere of cationic and anionic part takes place and leads to coordination isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Coordination compounds having the same molecular formula but forming different ions in solution are called ionization isomers. This property is known as ionization isomerism. The red-violet isomer yields sulfate ion and the red isomer furnishes bromide ion in solution. CONH34Cl2NO2 tetraamine dichlorocobalt 3 nitrite and CONH34NO2Cl tetraamine chloronitrocobalt 3 chloride. In this type of isomerism, the difference arises from the interchange of groups within or outside the coordination sphere.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.